Alright guys, I know I've been gone for a while. I just wanted to say I'm back. A lot of stuff's happened since I uploaded my last videos. I've opened a new shop. Man, so much stuff's happened. I don't have an excuse other than, man, I've just been busy. I want to show y'all a video of the shop. I'm just gonna make this little quick video for y'all just to let y'all know that I am back, and I intend on really putting out some content. I want to do haircut. I want to do a lot of haircut videos. I want to do a lot of content for you guys. So here's what I'm going to ask you. Get in the comments. Let me know what you want to see videos of. On this video, get in this video's comments and tell me what haircuts are you struggling with. I got the new Andis Masters. I'm going to be doing a review on them. I've only had them for about a week, so I want to use them a little bit longer. I'm going to compare all three. I've had the Wall Seniors for about a year and a half. I got the Babulous FX Golds in June at the hair show, and I got the Masters, the cordless Masters, about a week ago. So I'm going to use the Masters a little bit longer, and I'm going to be comparing the three. Just the first note is that the Masters are good clippers, man. They're not as heavy, but I'm gonna get into all that. I have a different style. I want to do some funner things. I don't want to sound so serious. I don't want to waste y'all's time. I want to give you information that you need that's going to help you right now. So if you would, I promise you guys, I promise, at least a haircut video, at least a video a week, at least one. I'm gonna do my best to, I've changed my schedule. I'm working 10 to 7, Tuesday through Friday, and I'm working 8 to 12 on Saturday. I was working 6 days a week, 10, 12 hours a day. Man, I just didn't have time. But I wanted to make this little video for y'all. I want y'all to know, number one, I'm still alive, I'm still kicking. And I'm gonna be putting out some more content. With that said, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you'll see my videos when I post them. And get in this video's comments and let me know what y'all need to see. Types of haircuts, any type of information you need. This is not my first shop I've opened, so if you need information on opening shops, anything having to do with the hair industry, man, let me know. I'll make a video on it. What are you struggling with? What's the information you want? Enough of that. Just let me know what you want and I'll get it to you. So guys, I'm back. I appreciate you hanging with me. Some of y'all have sent me messages asking when I was going to make new content. This is the video letting you know I'm back and content's coming. I missed you guys. I'll see y'all soon.